Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to modify the number of simultaneous sessions an agent can handle. To help you understand what I'm referencing, on screen let me show you how I as an agent am currently helping two different customers via web chat. You will see all the active media on the left-hand side while logged in as an agent. In this case, I'm handling two simultaneously. To modify the number of simultaneous channels an agent can handle, you will take the following steps. When logged into the admin UI, go to the left-hand side for Contact Center Configuration, expand it, and select Skill Management. You will find the agents and their skills in this list. You'll also notice a column called Max Simultaneous Sessions. By default, this will be set to 2. In this case, Ashley Scott is an excellent employee, and I think she can handle 3 simultaneous sessions, so I will modify that number to 3. Please note that we will only send an agent one call at a time. This will be more applicable for additional chat or multiple chat sessions. As always, click on Save to finalize.